Good morning to our esteemed speakers, panelists, and of course you, our lovely audience. Welcome to the IIA India Bangalore Chapter Conference of 2021. This past year has seen so many highs and lows on account of the ongoing pandemic, which we all continue to embrace and show resilience to. Bringing on and getting on to the bandwagon of doing things the digital way, we hope you enjoy the power-packed sessions in today's event and take home not one, not two, but multiple new learnings. Before we start with the welcome address, I would like to let you know what's in store for you and the key features of this platform. Please explore all the navigation buttons, visit the sponsor booths and explore the contents. Actively participate during the sessions through the Ask a Question feature. Connect with other participants through the chat function and reach us via the help desk if you need any assistance. During the day, we have some interactions lined up for you. We will be running some competitions as well, and winners will be picked at random and receive Amazon vouchers. First competition is on the photo booth. On the top right of the platform is a photo booth. Please click a selfie, share, and tag the chapter's LinkedIn page and stand a chance to win. We will be picking a few winners throughout the day, so get there first. Secondly, we have a IIA Bangalore chapter survey for 21-22 via SurveyMonkey. The link is now open and can be found from the links button on the right navigation pane. We will be picking winners from those who have completed the survey. Thirdly, we have a quiz for you after lunch at around 1:20 to 1:30, so don't be late. Winners of the quiz will be announced at the end of the day. We hope you have a thoroughly enjoyable day. Now, I'd like to invite Bhavani Joyce, President of the IIA India Bangalore chapter and the Head of Internal Audit and SOX for Infosys, and Tyagarajan Kumar, President of the IIA India and Director of Management Assurance Services of Bennett Coleman & Co. to give the welcome address. Over to give your welcome note.
Thank you, Aarti. A very warm welcome to the IIA Bangalore Chapter Conference 2021, themed Reshaping Internal Audit, the Future Ready You. We are living in unprecedented times, uncharted waters, and our profession is going through an overhaul to be future ready. The pandemic has been a catalyst for all of us to introspect and reflect on what needs to be done differently. It is with pride that I reflect on what the members of the fraternity have achieved during this last 1 year, in spite of all the challenges that each and every one of us has faced in our day-to-day lives and at work. The sessions today have been brought together to give you the nuggets of insights on the various aspects that a future-ready auditor must have and hold on to. A strong grasp of ethics and culture, a healthy tension between audit fundamentals and innovative auditing, embracing analytics as a non-negotiable skill, embedding resilience into all that we do, and a deep reflection on our ability to tell stories and bring together a perfect blend of the future-ready internal auditor. We really did want to host a physical conference this year, but as luck would have it, the situation in Bangalore did not permit this. We have instead brought everyone together on this virtual platform. I hope you enjoy the features, the competitions, and the presentations today. We would like to thank you for supporting us throughout the year with all of your contributions and continued membership. We encourage you to continue your renewals, become new members, and understand the benefits of the IIA. With this, I'd like to hand over to TK, Tyagarajan Kumar, the President of IIA India, to say a few words. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Bhavani. It's good to be back with the friends in Bangalore, the city where I hail from. And first of all, let me congratulate the Bangalore team who has been very dynamic in the last few years. It has been the chapter which has increased the numbers, almost doubled in the last 3 years from around 300 to about 600. These have been possible through very focused trainings, conferences, events like what you are holding today, which has really brought more numbers to the IIA India. I wouldn't be surprised in the Bangalore in the coming years becomes the number 2 or number 1 chapter in the country, rivaling the Mumbai and Delhi chapters. And congratulations to all of you. You have the potential to be the best among the chapters in India, and wish the BOG all efforts and success in the future years. Let me take a few opportunities on what in IA India we are doing to make the profession future ready, which is the theme of your conference. Taking advantage of the online situation last year, we made available our courses and training programs across the country to all our members, indeed to across the board, whosoever wanted to participate in our events and programs. We ran about 140 trainings so far, reaching about 10,500 auditors over the last 1 year. This reach has really been possible only through technology, which otherwise would have been confined to about 200, 300 people in each of the chapters. Number 2, we launched challenge exams, first ever in India, which enables the members of about 18 accounting bodies, which includes ICAI in India also, to become CIA certified internal audit professionals, which what would have taken otherwise about 1.5 to 2 years to take a 3-part exam. Now a chartered accountant or any other accredited member can become a CAA in taking 3-hour challenge exams consisting about 150 questions. This has really been exciting event. There was a lot of response. More than 450 people joined in the first round of challenge exams, which was launched in January this year. The second round of exams has just been launched in June. The members can register themselves in August and September. I'm sure there'll be an equally good response in the coming months when the second round starts going. We have been focusing on bringing more women members to the profession. Now, we hardly 15% of our membership base today are women, and globally, wherever you go, including very conservative society like Indonesia, Malaysia, women members are about 20, 30%, 1/3 of the finance and audit profession even now. Now, I think there is a lot of scope to bring more women members into the profession. I'm sure with focused efforts our Women's Forum is doing, our women membership will increase in the years to come. We are also focusing on student development. Students are the future of the profession, future of the country. We are working with other learning institutions across the country, both online and physical training for CAA. And I'm sure there will be more training opportunities available through institutions across the country, whosoever wanting to appear either for the challenge exams or for the regular 3-part CAA exams. Other thing what we are trying to do, which I think Bangalore has been doing very well in the last few years, is Corporate Connect. Corporates are where most of our members work. They are the ones who use most of our members' services. It's important that we go to them, connect with them, tell them that we are there. We offer globally relevant, good practices, bring them learnings, research articles, publications from all over the world, and also would be able to offer them customized training programs and train their members, and also offer through our platform recruitment options for their corporates for resourcing their departments. These are some of the initiatives we are taking to make IA a profession in India future ready, and I would really commend and encourage all of you to stay focused throughout the day. There'll be a lot of learnings and a lot of ideas to take home today, and I'm sure with all these learnings you will stay focused and have a purpose to build a great well-governed, well-managed organizations in internal audit, risk management, governance across the country. I'm sure institutions like Wipro and Infosys, who really set global standards in ethics, values, and culture and governance, who all hail from Bangalore, would really be the role models for most of the corporates, either in PSUs or in the public sector, to adapt in the country. With these few words, I really congratulate the team once again and commend you, all of you, an excellent day of learning and ideas to take home. All the very best. Thank you very much, Bhavani. Thank you for the governors of Bangalore chapter for inviting me to address your members. And Aarti, you can take over from here now. Thank you.
Thank you, TK. Thank you, Bhavani, for the welcome address. Some things that really resonated with me was the target set for Bangalore chapter to become the #1 chapter in India. And of course, the CIA challenge exam, which seems quite interesting.